Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Disruptions Uncovered. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest tech meltdowns of the year, the Amazon Web Services outage on October 20th, 2025. Imagine waking up, grabbing your phone to check Snapchat, only to find it's dead. Or trying to log into your bank app and getting nowhere. That's exactly what happened to millions yesterday. A wake-up call about how fragile our digital world really is. Stick around because we're breaking it down step by step, what went wrong, who got hit, and what it means for all of us. If you're into tech or curious why the internet breaks, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's jump in. First off, cloud computing isn't just a buzzword, it's the invisible engine running our lives. Your Netflix binge, online shopping, even your smart doorbell, all powered by massive data centers in the cloud. Leading the pack is Amazon Web Services, or AWS. Launched in 2006, AWS turned computing into a utility, like electricity. Startups like Netflix and Airbnb exploded because they could rent server power. It's genius. But here's the catch. When everything relies on a few giants like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud, who control over 65% of the market, one glitch can take down half the internet. We've seen this before. Remember the 2017 AWS S3 outage? A typo wiped out sites for hours. Or the 2021 Facebook blackout that locked out billions. These are lessons in how interconnected everything is. But have we really learned? Yesterday's mess says maybe not. Okay, let's get into what actually happened on October 20th. It all kicked off around 9:18 a.m. Eastern Time in AWS US East, one region, Northern Virginia, the beating heart of their network. By 9:27, reports flooded in Roblox crashing, Snapchat vanishing, even OpenAI's AI tools going silent. Down detector lit up. AWS acknowledged it at 9:41, blaming increased error rates in core services like EC2 and RDS. Things escalated fast. By 10:05, hashtag AWS Outage was trending worldwide. They pinpointed the issue by 10:22, an operational glitch in a core database product in one availability zone. Engineers scrambled. And by 10:50, they were seeing recovery signs. Services started flickering back around 11:15, and by 11:34, most were up. Total downtime? About 2 hours. In tech time, that's an eternity. Now, the root cause straight from AWS postmortem. It wasn't hackers or a storm. It was a software bug in a deployment script for their RDS metadata system. Metadata is the brain that tracks database configs. The buggy update caused servers to hog resources, locking up in a loop. This sparked a request storm, services retrying failed connections. Overwhelming everything. It hit EC2 instances, authentication, even API gateways. Boom, cascading failure. YUS East 1. It's AWS' oldest region, the default for tons of apps, and home to global controls like identity management. It's like the internet's grand central station. Traffic from everywhere funnels through. A hiccup there? Global chaos. Ever wonder why? Your app built years ago still defaults to Virginia? Legacy stuff like that amplifies the risk. The fallout was massive, touching every corner of life. This wasn't just annoying, it disrupted real people. Starting with social media and gaming, Snapchat went dark, no snaps, no stories. For its young users, that's like losing your phone line. Roblox? Total blackout. Millions got booted from games. No in-app purchases, lost engagement. Streaming and forums took hits too. It's like the digital town square shut down. Finance got hammered next. Online banking apps for several banks crashed, no balances, no transfers. Panic City. E-commerce sites vanished, halting sales. Airlines couldn't book tickets. Outages cost thousands per minute. For big players, millions gone in 2 hours. Trust takes a hit too. Education and work? Brutal. Blackboard locked out students and teachers, no classes, no assignments. Collaboration tools glitched, devs couldn't push code. In our remote world, that's lost productivity on steroids. Then IoT, the smart stuff. Amazon's own Ring cameras? Offline. No live feeds, no security alerts. Thermostats, lights, even industrial trackers stalled. What if your home security fails when you need it most? It's scary how smart turns dumb without the cloud. And AI? OpenAI's services tanked, breaking chatbots. Writing tools, everything built on their APIs. It's a chain. AI relies on cloud, cloud fails, intelligence grinds to a halt. Overall, this outage exposed our deep dependency. It's not just tech, it's society. Businesses lost money, people lost time, and it sparked that what if fear. So, why does this keep happening and how do we fix it? At the core is the single point of failure problem. AWS is redundant, multiple zones, regions, but control planes, like that metadata system, can still choke everything. US East 1's legacy status makes it a hotspot. And the market? Three big players mean one sneeze, everyone catches cold. Mitigation? Two big strategies. First, multi-region. Spread your app across AWS regions, like Virginia to Oregon. Pros: handles regional fails, better speed globally. Cons: pricey, complex data sync, failover tests. Second, multi-cloud. Use AWS plus Azure or Google. Ultimate resilient against one provider tanking. But super expensive, needs experts in multiple systems, tough to keep features consistent. Only big fish like banks do it. Post-outage. Expect companies to rethink. Boards will demand resilience plans. Regulators might step in, treat clouds like utilities, mandate standards. Europe's DORA law is a start. The US could follow. Should we break up the cloud oligopoly for safety? It's all about designing for failure. Chaos engineering, testing by breaking stuff on purpose, helps. But humans code this. So bugs happen. The key? Build systems that contain the blast. Wrapping this up, the October 20th AWS outage was a 2-hour nightmare that revealed our digital fragility. A buggy database script in one zone took down social apps, banks, schools, smart homes, and AI. It hammered home the risks of centralization and the need for better backups. Key takeaways: cloud's awesome but risky. US East 1 is a vulnerability hotspot. Impacts hit everyone, from gamers to CEOs. And fixes like multi-cloud exist, but they're not easy. This is our way up. Invest in resilience now or pay later. What do you think? Have you been hit by an outage like this? Drop a comment below, share your story. Is this video opened your eyes? Smash that like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching, stay connected, but maybe not too connected. See you next time.